sound check. Hello, awan. Awan, ato. Awan, ato, atre. Hello, hello. Hello. Mahina pa din. Hello. Hello. Attack error. Point goes to San Jacinto. Attack error. 2-all.
service out, ganoon din ma'am, may error din yan. Service error din. Pero yung mga common error na net touch, gano'n, walang gano'n. Attack error ni 7 sa kabila.
Attack error. Yung bola ho, may mga ball retriever sa gilid. Huwag na pong idadaan sa ilalim ng net. Blocked by number 9. Service number 4. Attack error, number 9.
Ano yung sinasabi mo para alam mo naman.
Attack error. Game captain po ng Lawak. Lumabas po ang libero natin. Sino po ang captain ng Lawak pag nasa number 10, taas kamay. Taas kamay, number 10. Yan. Libero. Attack error. For the kill, number 7. Service error. Number. Service error. Services.
Number 7 yun.
Cross court attack. Attack error. Not touch violation from San Jacinto. Point goes to Lawak.
Error pa din yun.
Service error. 9.
Service error pa din.
Service error.
Sino yun? Matake? 19, 16 mo?
There's a double contact on the attack.
Sino yung unang double? Ito no, si 16 ba?
There's a net touch. Number 7. Block touch. Ay, number.
Ano number mong matangkad? Number 9. Block. Sino yung nagsaserve, ma'am? Sorry. 4. Service ace.
Another services. Timeout. Lawak.
Buzzer po.
Block point. Number 9. Service error. Not touch. Substitution. 6 in, 15 out. Service error.
Maririnig mo sila, hindi ka makapagsalita.
Masantos sa Kapuasan ay magabigat kinyayo amin. Good morning, volleyball fans. We're here live at Kalasyaw Sports Complex on our Sunday schedule here. And right now we're witnessing Municipality of Lawak versus Municipality of San Jacinto. And our score now is 16-17. Magandang umaga po sa ating live viewers online. Ayan. Habang nanonood po kayo, samahan nyo na po ng pandesal at kape ang inyong panunood dahil matagal-tagal pa po itong mga laro dito sa ating schedule for this Sunday. And of course, you are watching Ramon V. Guico, the third volleyball tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. And right now, a 2-point advantage here for Team San Jacinto, our first matchup this Sunday. And a jump serve right away. Sornosa with a tip and nice find coming from Lawak. And 17 serving 18. And a service ace at pinabayaan dyan, nagkatinginan ng libero at ang itong player ng San Jacinto at dahil dyan mapapatawag ng timeout ang team San Jacinto. And nice tip there coming from jersey number 10. And 1 point lead now for Team Lawak.
Ang limitation po tayo sa service, dito lang po sa may basketball court. Ito po. Unless jump serve. Pero pag nangyari sa basketball court.
And a sure serve there. And to the middle adjusting. To the middle adjusting also. And a scramble for Team San Jacinto. Bomb set now to the open side. Nice adjust. And free ball ngayon for San Jacinto. Sornosa to the open, denied. Nice coverage coming from the libero. And a push there, and another push. And our rally still alive. Nice up there. Off-speed attack. And it works for Chua.
Number 16.
And sa ating first game, dikit na agad tayo. And I'll buy with the tip. And a tip also from Sornosa.
Timeout. Lawak.
And a timeout now calls by Team Lawak. Yanti again on deck. And this time, fell short. At hindi na lang tumama sa ating net. So point goes to Team Lawak. And a substitution here. Pero napito na ng ating referee and didn't allow that substitution. Another push by Chua. And a deflection there. And from the middle once again, Sornosa. And bomb set to the open. And a point for Team Lawak. And another deadlock once again. here at our first set. Nice serve there. Sornosa now to the open at nabitin. Nabitin dyan si Chua. At dahil dyan, balik ang kalamangan dito sa Tayug. Lawak rather. And a service ace mula dito sa Lawak. And right now, a 2-point cushion at dahil dyan, napatawag ng timeout once again, second and final timeout for Team San Jacinto. And back to the ball game. And 2 points away to securing our first set for Lawak. And let's see kung matatapos na kaya nila or mahabol pa ng Team San Jacinto. Drop shot. And a double violation for Sornosa. And a set point here for Team Lawak. And too strong, giving the opportunity here for San Jacinto. And a service ace for jersey number 10 here, Cabanyero. And 1 point na lang ginahabol ng Team San Jacinto to extend our first set. And a chance ball for San Jacinto, chance for them to tie our first set. Chua. And a down the line hit coming from Chua. And no blockers there for Chua. Leaving her alone at the top of the net. And first set extension here. And overpass. Sornosa kanino ibibigay to the middle with a tip. But defended well. And another chance here to Chua with the trap once again. And still alive. What a nice kick save coming from Lawag. At nabitin si Chua rito. And a nice kick save for Lawak. And right now, substitution here. Magsagaray in to serve. And the error para dun sa kakapasok lamang. And eto, another set point for Team San Jacinto. And Ricalo. And here another chance ball. Sornosa to the middle with a push once again. At basang-basa na yung push na yan sa middle. Sornosa again. Babalikan to sa middle with a tip this time. And a block. And San Jacinto with a point away to secure our first set. And Chua now, the scoring machine of Team San Jacinto with a heavy serve. Went outside. And no one is giving up here in our first extension set. And a misreception right here. Went to chance ball here for Lawak. But a net touch for number 5. And nas medyo sumobra doon ng buwelo itong si jersey number 5. And better reception this time. Sornosa with the up. And a chance to get this first set. No good. And it's scramble here for Team San Jacinto. And it's still alive. What an up coming from Team San Jacinto. A Sornosa. And again, a point for Team Lawak. And we're all tied up once again.
Substitution. 20. Pasok na 20.
And let's see kung mapupuntos ba to ng San Jacinto for their set point. And nice up there. And a tip there. Another chance for San Jacinto. Powerful attack, but defended well. Tapang daw sabi ng coach to the middle with a push again. And another net violation. And set point. Third set point here for Team San Jacinto. They need a good serve right here.
Pag-ulit po. Gawin po ng tama kung saan dadaan.
And
Yan po. Ito po.
our officials reminding our substitution in the libero na it's okay naman na hindi na dumaan si referee, but dapat within the court lang at sabay na magpalit ang regular player at libero. And back to the ball game. And a short serve and missed reception turns to chance ball here to Team San Jacinto. Sornosa. Chance to end this set. And San Jacinto got our first set. And our score 29-27. And let's see if Lawak will extend our match or San Jacinto will end our match. And back here at our live action, live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex. And you are witnessing Lawak versus San Jacinto. Recap lang po tayo. First set goes to Team San Jacinto. And Lawak is now trying to extend our match. And a dead ball. And replay po tayo ng ating point here. And mali ata na naipasok na player here for Team San Jacinto. And right now, tatawagin ngayon ang team captain ng San Jacinto. And our officials are will give the score to Team Lawak right away. An error. A free point here for Team Lawak. With the help of the net, service ace for Albay. And another sharp serve, overpass. Set now to the open. And with the cross court attack. And an early 3-0 for Team Lawak. And another heavy serve for Albay. And a service ace. And an early substitution here. Yante back in the ball game. Replacing Yante also. And another service ace for Yante. 3 service aces for her. And dahil dyan mapapatawag ng timeout ang team San Jacinto.
Timeout, San Jacinto.
And back to our ball game. 5 serving 0 here. Albay again with a sharp serve. And back set now to the opposite. Dog. And a block. And chance once again here for Team Lawak to the middle. Delayed by the block. And a chance ball again. Chance to score for Team Lawak to the open side. And a net touch here for San Jacinto. A 6-0 here for Team Lawak. And service ace again for Albay. 7-0 here. And the players of Team Lawak is really enjoying this advantage. Albay here to serve once again. And a misreception once again to the middle. And Lawak is really enjoying our second set. Albay with a consistent serve. At nahihirapan rito ang Team San Jacinto na pumasa because of that heavy serve coming from Albay. Good morning. And Albay again punishing the receivers of Team San Jacinto. And because of that, 10-0 now. And babalik dito si Banda. And Albay is still serving at the service zone. Better reception right here. Pero chance ball ibibigay for Team Lawak. Back set now and a block by Chua to the middle. And a net touch for Panda. And first pass, first ball is still a problem for Team San Jacinto here. And again, almost an ace there for Albay. Set now to the open side. Cross court attack. 12-0 here. And shuffling the players of Team San Jacinto right now. Aspiras in now for Chua. And 12-0 sa ating second set. And still a heavy serve for Albay. At another chance ball, hindi maka-atake ang Team San Jacinto dito to the middle once again. 13-0 here. And the coaching staff of Team Lawak now is really happy. And another misreception coming from the libero. And chance to score here. Mag-a-adjust ito. Itong opposite. And a chance to score. Aspiras. First point for Team San Jacinto. And Albay to the open with a Off speed. And a point for Team Lawak, a 13 points advantage for them. And a giggle for Sornosa. She's trying for a 1-2 play, but the ball didn't over the net. And the point for Team Lawak. Really punishing this Team San Jacinto right now. Down the line, dog. A chance to score here for Team San Jacinto. And ginawa ng paraan dyan. And first error in our second set. Tinko. At misreception naman dito for Team Lawak. At point there for Team San Jacinto. $12 points advantage here. Heavy serve for Sornosa. Into the middle. 4 touches there for San Jacinto. And second and final timeout called by the team San Jacinto.
Our score, 16-3. Team Lawak. Number 7, Team Lawak, 3. Services! Services. Number 7, Team Lawak. 17-3. Now for the service. Line center. For second call.
And Tinko with a service ace. At patuloy pa rin ang problema ng team San Jacinto with their first ball. Better reception there pero overset. And an error for
Point. San Jacinto.
Andrada.
4, serving 18. Number 9, Team
Our score now is 4 serving 18. Make that
Practice error.
19-4. Malaki-laki na itong kalamangan ng
Service 2.
team Lawak rather. A comfortable lead for them. But no safe is no lead is safe, sabi nga nila.
Substitution.
And a substitution for Team San Jacinto. Abalos coming in, and Andaya and Viernes now is trying to and back to old ball game. Free ball for team San Jacinto. Back set, adjusting, not over. And a point for Team Lawak. Really pulling away here in our second set. Sornosa to the middle. In she's block. 21 serving 5. Good pass. Sornosa to the open. Doug set now to the open with a soft touch. No good. Asperas now. Not over for Asperas. And substitution once again. Viernes in for the first time here. And a service ace. The problem of San Jacinto still continues here. And another miscue there. Albay to the open side. Down the line, Doug. And a 1-2 play for Sornosa. Redwell. And chance once again for San Jacinto. Asperas, a cross-court attack. And the point for Asperas. And 6 serving 23 here. 2 points away for Team Lawak to extending our match. Service error. And the set point now for Team Lawak. And we're now and service ace once again. And we're now at extension here in our first game. back to our ball game here. And we're still watching Ramon V. Guico the third volleyball tournament 2026 Governors Cup. And third set na po tayo sa ating first game. And this is our final set between our team. Sino ang kakapit at sino ang tatapang para sa ating third set. Both teams want a win here in our tournament. And the first serve now for Lawak. At kanina, first ball ang problem ng Team San Jacinto. Let's see kung anong adjustment ang gagawin nila. To the middle. Point there for jersey number 5. At mukhang nabubuhayan na ang Team Lawak dito. Drop. Nice up there. Albay with a push. Yante with a push. Also. To the middle again. Chua. Bebuelo. And set now to the open. Dug there. Sornosa. Babalikan si Chua with a drop. And bodies on the floor. And point for Team San Jacinto. Chua now on deck. And every point matter here sa ating final set. And surface ace for Chua. Heavy serve now mula dito sa San Jacinto. Sornosa to the team captain. Banda. Towering the block. And an early substitution here. Idolor comes in for Team Lawak. Chua pa rin now. The service line. Nice reception by the team captain. And to the opposite side. Not over there for Team Lawak. Heavy serve. At ang problem ngayon for Lawak is their first ball in the cross-court attack. Powerful attack coming from Seran. Almost unfacial there for the team captain of Lawak. At binibigyan na ng hard serve ngayon ang Team Lawak galing dito sa Team San Jacinto. But better reception there. Back set. Doug Sornosa with a 1-2 play. And the Sornosa scores. At tayo dyan tatawag ng timeout ang Team Lawak. And 5-point advantage, 6 serving 1. And misreception for Team Lawak. Sornosa to Siran, down the line, dog. And a chance ball for Team San Jacinto to the team captain to Banda. Check ball, pero outside daw. And the team captain kakausapin ngayon. Albay on deck ang nagpahirap sa service kanina ng second set. And a Recalo. Error there for Lawak. And error filing up here for Team Lawak in our third set. They don't need that kind of error para sa ating final set. Cross court, Doug. Hahabulin ngayon. And a point for Lawak. Nice defense there. Chua with a chase and a chance to score here for Team Lawak. Back set now, deflected by the blockers. Yante to Siran. Nice spin there for Siran. And Sornosa to the middle. Point for San Jacinto. Caballero from the middle. Service error for the team captain. What a nice find coming from Caballero. Hitting from the left pin. Wow, jump serve here for Siran. And service ace for Siran. And Team San Jacinto, they have the momentum right now in our third and final set. Another good serve from Siran. And outside. Point for San Jacinto. At ang tumatambak na ngayon ay Team San Jacinto. And 11 serving 4. Siran again with explosive serve. Cross court. Chua was there. Sornosa took Albanyero. Denied at the net. Sure serve for Team Lawak. Sornosa now to Chua. Doug. Standing spike for Team Lawak. Sornosa now to Yante. Finding the corner. Point for Yante. And service error, first service error here for Team San Jacinto. Sornosa bump now to Cabanero. Tip. No good. Sornosa ibabalik. And nice tip there. And once again, Cabanero dug to the middle again. And point for Team Lawak. Chua trying to score, no good. Miscommunication there. Sornosa and Chua will give a free ball here. Another chance for Sornosa with a push. Finding the zone 5. Cabanero. Service error for her. At back-to-back service error for Team San Jacinto. And our score now is 8 serving 13. And misreception for Team San Jacinto. To the middle. Serran was there. Chua. No good. And a tip for Tinko. Nine serving 13 here in our third set. Chua. Hey, short pass. Tinko. Nice up there from Siran. And Chua down the line. Red. Off speed. Banda was there. Banda. No good. And free ball. Sornosa to Chua. Down the line. Doug once again. And Banda bumps it to Chua. Another down the line. Doug once again. And point for Maragallo. And timeout now called for Team San Jacinto. Chua from the opposite side. Too strong for Chua. At dalawa na lang hinahabol ng Team Lawak dito sa ating nice serve from Chua. And short there. Off speed sana gagawin ito ni Margalio pero went short. And free ball here once again for team San Jacinto Sornosa to Serrana. What a powerful attack coming from Siran. Siran is really consistent here in our third set. And timeout call for Team Lawak. All right, so back to the ball game. After this match, we'll be witnessing the host team Calasiao versus Santa Barbara. Kaya naman po tumutok lang po kayo sa ating live coverage dahil marami pa tayong bakbakan na makikita dito sa ating Governor's Cup 2026. And back to the action. And with a tip by Tinko outside. Score now is 17 serving 11. Rally still continues here. Sornosa. And a double violation there for Sornosa. And the coaching staff is in disbelief right there. Sornosa to the team captain Banda with a push. And to the opposite side, finding the corner. Yante and Sornosa, babalik ang bola. Marcalio, but Chua was there. And Serrano with a full swing. Silly pick up. And again to the zone. At humahabol ngayon ang Team Lawak. And a substitution. Yante comes in once again. Short pass. Si Ran pushes. Nice dive there. And nice up coming from Chua to the middle. Banda tipping that ball. And a off the block hit from Tinko. At dalawa na lang ang nahabol ng Team Lawak ngayon. And they're still fighting in our third set. Serrano with a 1-2 play. Well read. And Chua now with the first ball. Sornosa. And miscommunication. At dahil siya mapapatawag ng timeout ang coach ng San Jacinto.
Amay intertanong sa amin basketball, tutulagan po namin. Kaso may nakot kasi nagka-violation kaya mahirap. May second account yung gamit ko eh. Hindi, naalala mo may ganun book. Risky talaga yun, live risky. Meron sa live. Lalo lang mamaya sa manlalay. Judge kina, judge PBE lo, judge PBE lo, bawal sa manlalay. Tulog ka naman, bawal sa mga live. Ang video sa nagpapiro, live, bawal. Kasi, ang mas iwasan tama eh, copyright. Copyright nila.
And we are all tied now in our third set. And the comeback completes for Team Lawak. At nahabol nila itong puntos na to. And chance to take the lead for Team Lawak. Blocked by Banda. And lamang na ulit ang Team San Jacinto. And syempre, shout out sa ating official vlogger ng ating Intertown Volleyball League, Kasutel Vlog. Ayan, magandang umaga. Lagi siyang andito sa ating venue para of course mag-cover ng iba't ibang games at mag-post ng exciting reels sa Blue App. Kaya naman i-follow nyo na po si Kasutel TV Vlog. And a point for Team Lawak, and they take the lead right now. 19 serving 18. What a turn of events here. Sornosa. Deflected by the blockers. Tinko. Chance to score. And 20 serving 18. Sornosa to the team captain. Inside. And Team San Jacinto now needs a momentum because they were up by 6 points in our third set, pero nahabol at pumuntos pa rito at nakalamang pa ang Team Lawak, and we're here now at crucial point. Nice serve there. And Chua ready for that spike. Sornosa with a full swing. And we are all tied once again. All 20. And find in the corner once again. And kanina niya pa pinupuntahan ang zone na yan, zone 6 for jersey number 9. And a misreception there. Back set. A dead ball. At for that misroll ng bola sa ating mga ball retriever, a replay. Outside. An expensive error there for Team Lawak. We are here now at a crucial point. At they need a good serve, but it went outside. And deadlock once again. To the middle. Point for Andrada. And 22 serving 21. 3 points away for securing our third set for Team Lawak. And a service ace for Team Lawak, and Ihante misjudging that one. Or rather mishandling that one. And another sure serve. This time, short pass. Yante will give a free ball. Set now, but medyo nag-alangan doon. And the chance now for Chua, no good. A free ball now, chance to score here. Sornosa to the middle to Cabanyero. Doug Albay habulin ngayon ang bola. And another chance ball for Lawak. Chua again. And a point for her. And 22 serving 23. And a crucial serve right here. Delayed by the blocker. Sornosa. Chua. Chance to tie. What an expensive error there. Chance na sana ng Team San Jacinto na maitabla ang ating third set. But an error for Chua, and a match point right now. Hawak ngayon ang Team Lawak. Let's see if what will they do. Nice pass. Sornosa to Chua. Nice up for Team Lawak. And chance once again for Team San Jacinto. Chua once again delayed by the blockers. And chance to end this match. And a kill block for Cabanyero. And buhay pa rin ang Team San Jacinto in our final set. And right now, Cabanyero, kailangan niya lang ipasok ang serve na to. A sure serve to the open with a tip chance for San Jacinto to tie this match. Chua! And our coaching staff is really reacting right now. And this is a crucial point. And there's no point yet. Hindi pa na-award ng ating referee. Let's see kung anong magiging decision nila with this point. And point for Team San Jacinto. And they are still alive. And another extension here. And nice matchup here para sa ating first game. And race to 2 na lang po ang ating third set. Caballero now again on the service line. And missed reception there. And chance here. Banda hesitating there. And right now, a block for Banda. And match point shifted to Team San Jacinto. Match point now shifted to San Jacinto. Caballero now again on deck. Nice serve. A short pass. And Tinko, nice up from Masiran. Chua, and the match no good. And a double violation. And San Jacinto winning our first game with a dramatic ending here. In a third set, 3-set win for Team San Jacinto. Congratulations, Team San Jacinto. And let's meet our player of the game. Wala, ako lang. Wala. Hindi, si Marnie, pagkatapos niya. Sinong POG, sir? Sino pang POG? Wait lang po. Marnie! Marnie! Mag-ano ka ba? Pagkatapos mo dyan?
Maliligo muna ako
Ay, uwi ka muna. Anong oras ka balik, girl? Di ako muna. Charing lang, hindi lang.
Shoutout ang counselor. Pwede, hindi nila siya andun yung counselor namin.
Pwede lang.
Sige,
Sige, late. Carlitos, Kaplan, pag-game nyo na lang. Sabi mo. Go. Go, carry lang. And our player of the game
Total of 7 points.
with 7 points.
2 aces, 5
aces
attacks.
And 5 attacks.
Seran Este.
Seran. Masantos ya kabosan na imbaga bigat kinyayo amin. Good morning volleyball fans. And our first game was really emotional for our team San Jacinto and exciting 3 sets for them. And we have here our player of the game, jersey number 7 is Siran, and of course the head coach of team San Jacinto. And what an emotional win for team San Jacinto. And alam natin na kailangan nyo ng panalo para sa ating tournament na to. And with you, Siran, ano naman yung pakiramdam na you were up by 7 points nung third set and masisecure nyo na yung third set. Pero naabutan pa kayo ng Team Lawak. Ano kayong pakiramdam na, ano yung naging confidence nyo going to the third set?
Masaya po na nakakakaba kasi po naabot po kami sa third set and tinapangan lang po namin hanggang sa makuha po namin ang panalo.
Thank you so much. And kay head coach naman, coach, nung third set nga po, di ba nabanggit ko po na naabutan po kayo ng Team Lawak dun sa ating final set. Ano naman po yung word of encouragement na sinabi nyo po sa inyong mga players nung third set?
Actually, nagkaroon kami ng kinabahan yung mga bata pagdating ng third set. Pero sabi ko, unity lang, kapit lang tayo, and then communication para maging manalo. Yun lang.
And sa ating player of the game, last question na lang. On your next game next week, ano pa yung mga i-improve nyo para at least makakuha pa ng panalo?
Sipagan lang po sa training at ipagdasal po sa Diyos na maganda po ang laro namin.
And of course, sa ating head coach, coach, I would like to ask lang, kanino nyo dinededicate itong panalong to?
Of course, dinidikit namin itong panalo namin sa mga LGU namin, mga sumusuporta sa amin, lalo under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Leo F. De Vera, kay Vice Mayor namin, Robert O. De Vera, and of course sa mga SB member, pinapangunahan ni Attorney Apple Abarcar and Konsyal Amox and Konsyal Jornadal, and of course si ABC President namin na Liga, Victor De Vera. Tsaka sa mga buong taga San Jacinto, maraming salamat sa mga nasa online and then on board dito sa Calasiao Complex.
And of course, bigyan naman natin ng chance ang ating player of the game na mag-shout out at ayan, pasalamatan mo yung mga supporters, yung mga gusto mong batiin.
Shout out po sa mga parents na pumunta po dito at sa parents ko po na si mommy and daddy ko po. Thank you din po sa thank you po at nanood po kayo sa laro namin. Pati po sa teammates.
There you have it, our player of the game, Siran, with the head coach of San Jacinto. And right after, of course, we'll be witnessing the battle of the host team, Team Calasiao, of course, facing the Team Santa Barbaya. Kaya naman po, tumutok lang po kayo dito sa ating live coverage. And you are watching Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup.